Hey YouTube, welcome back. So you guys have been requesting for the tech deck, and this is what I got. So I picked up 2, 4, 6 of this tech deck throwback series. So by the way, this one is just for comparison. So originally this one was like $2.97. And last time I did the video, it was like $1.97 when they have a clearance. So I went back the next day. These were the only 6 that I found inside the whole big basket. So by the way, I'm going to show you guys the common board. It is the flip, and then DGK. Or the Santa Cruz. Unfortunately, I didn't get the Santa Cruz. They were out. So I got the DGK right here. And this one is the flip. Next I'm going to go over is the one, is the rare, which is finesse, which is this one right here. And then the second one is the shot, which is this one. And next one I'm going to go over is the ultra rare. It's this one right here, which is this one right here, the yellow one. Second one is the thank you. So all this come with the stickers, decals. So the reason that is, I don't know, it's cheaper or on sale, maybe because they didn't come with a tool, but anyway, the tool doesn't cost you $1 extra anyway. So this one, Maxler come with the sticker, and then the tool, and then the stand. Okay, that's the only difference. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and show you guys. Only at Walmart. Oh man, someone's sticking on there. Oh, because they have tape on them. Alright, so just show you guys a sticker, and you could cut them even smaller, okay, to put it on your skate park or whatever. And this is the tech deck right here. Pretty grippy. Got the trucks, then the wheel, let's go and check out this one. So again, they tape the sticker onto the package. And this is like a long board. Yeah, you can see the wheel much fatter, wider. Trucks is they're the same. Nope. Sure, you got the bushing different too. Let's go and then check out this. And those are the stickers. Yeah, same size wheel. Ooh, this one has black trucks. Shark. Check out this one. Yeah, the stickers. So this is another longboard. Just sent down my nails. Manicure. So this one is the rare. Ultra rare. Got the B. This is the last one. Wow. Got the trucks. It's like pretty wide. And then the board is wider. the same size as this one. Alright, this will be the last one that I'm going to open it up. And this is with the tool. Wow, look at that chrome deck. They come with the tech deck, skateboard stand. And this is the tool. For your screws. Your wheels. Your kingpin. Wow, give it a scratch. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Peace.